Dear students, now you learn in exercise 3.3 question number 4. Question number 2 and 3 are reduced. Here in this sum given that determine k and solve the equation. Cubic equation is given. Here k is the constant. For cubic equation we know that it has 3 roots, but here given the one of the condition, if one of its roots is twice the sum of other 2 roots. So we take roots are, one is alpha, another one is beta. We take gamma as one of its roots, that means gamma. One of its roots means we take gamma twice the, that means it is twice into 2 to sum of plus other 2 roots. Other 2 roots are what are the alpha and beta. So according to given, we can take our gamma is 2 into alpha plus beta. So in the given equation, from the given equation we know that a is x cube coefficient 2, b is x square coefficient minus 6, c is x coefficient 3, and d is constant, that is k. So first we are using the sum of the roots, that means alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, alpha plus beta plus what is gamma? From gamma is 2 of alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b. B is minus 6, so plus 6 by a is 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. From this if 2 alpha plus alpha we get 3 alpha. 2 here 2 into beta, 2 beta plus beta, 3 beta is equal to 3. So take divide by 3 all. Here we getting alpha plus beta is equal to 1. So we know that gamma equal to, what is the formula? Gamma equal to 2 into alpha plus beta. So 2 into 1, 2. So we got gamma value out of 3 roots. We got one of the roots is 2. To find k value, here one of the roots is 2. Root means it satisfies the x value. Here given polynomial equation, we let it be p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus k. So gamma is 2 means p of 2 equal to 0. So root satisfies the given equation. So p of 2 means 2 into 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus k. Its value should be equal to 0. 2 cube means 8, 8 2s are 16, 2 square is 4, 4 into 6 is 24, minus 24, 3 2s are 6 plus k equal to 0. So 16 plus 6 22, minus 24 is minus 2 plus k equal to 0. So minus 2 going that side, what you get? K equal to plus 2. Okay. Next what you have to find? Other 2 roots, alpha and beta, we have to be find out. In question given find determine k, we got k value, and solve the equation. Solve the equation means we have to find all the 3 roots. One of the roots we found, that is gamma equal to 2. Sorry, now we take product of its roots, that is alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a. So alpha we don't know, beta we don't know, gamma we know that it is 2, and minus d is here k by 2. So here alpha 2 alpha beta equal to minus k, also find 2, that is 2 by 2, get cancel 1. What you get? Alpha into beta equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. We have to find alpha and beta. Here we got alpha plus beta equal to 1. So from this one we know that alpha plus beta equal to 1, that implies beta equal to 1 minus alpha. So substitute here we get alpha into 1 minus alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. You multiply them, alpha square minus alpha square plus alpha equal to minus 1 by 2. So everyone, you each multiply with 2, what you get? Minus 2 alpha square plus 2 alpha equal to minus 1. So we minus 2 alpha square plus 2 alpha minus 1 coming this side, you get a plus 1 equal to 0. Here we have the multiply with everyone with minus 1, what you get? 2 alpha square minus 2 alpha minus 1 equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation in alpha. It is a quadratic equation alpha. We factorize and we can get the answer. What is a c into a here? Minus 2. We factorize it, we can get the answer. What you have, should get minus 2 be equal to minus 2. What answer? Minus 2. So it is not possible to factorize it. Now use the formula alpha equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. From this one, b is minus 2, so plus 2 plus or minus square root of b square is minus 2 whole square 4 minus 4 into a 2, 4 2s are 8 into minus 1 minus c is minus 1. So what plus 8 we got it, plus 8 by 2 into a, 2 into 2, okay. So 2 plus or minus 4 plus 8, 12. 12 means we can write it is 4 into 3 by 2 2s are 4. Finally we got 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 4. So each one divide by 2, what you get? 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. This is alpha. So 2 of its roots, one is alpha. Then we can have to find 1 minus alpha, 1 minus alpha, 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. Simplifying this one, 2 minus 1 minus or plus root 3 by 2. So finally you get 2 minus 1, 1 minus or plus root 3 by 2. So alpha is 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. Then beta is 1 minus or plus root 3 by 2, and gamma is 2. We found all the three roots. Thank you, students.